What if the secret to incredible hair growth wasn't a pricey serum, but something you've probably never considered? We're taking on a 30-day hair growth challenge with a truly unique ingredient, Propolis wax. Get ready to see the shocking before and after transformations and discover if this ancient bee product is your new hair hero. My hair was, well, let's just say it needed a miracle. And what I found might surprise you, it comes from bees. Our goal is to achieve significant hair growth using Propolis wax over just 30 days, aiming for noticeable length and improved hair health. Why Propolis wax? It's known for its anti-inflammatory and nourishing properties, making it a unique choice for scalp health and hair growth. This natural resin is packed with compounds that can revitalize your hair follicles. Now, let's dive into the unconventional application, my Propolis wax routine. I'll show you the exact product I used and discuss its ethical sourcing. This isn't sponsored. I'm just genuinely curious about its effects. Here's the step-by-step application. First, apply it pre-washed to dry hair, focusing on the scalp. Next, a thorough scalp massage helps stimulate blood flow and distribute the product evenly. Let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, allowing the nutrients to penetrate. Finally, wash it out thoroughly with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Yes, it can be a bit messy, but the results might be worth it. My initial impressions after the first application were interesting. The smell was earthy and natural, and the texture was surprisingly sticky, but not unpleasant. I felt a slight tingling sensation on my scalp, which I took as a sign of activation. Now let's look at the weekly progress and unexpected twists. Here are my consistent progress shots for weeks 1, 2, and 3. Notice the subtle changes like increased shine and reduced shedding. I did face some challenges, like difficulty washing out the wax completely at first, but I found that a double shampoo rinse worked wonders. This adds realism and helpful tips for you. Beyond just length, I noticed other benefits, like improved scalp health, less itching, and even increased hair thickness. My scalp felt much calmer and healthier. And now for the big reveal, unbelievable before and after. This is the ultimate payoff of our 30-day challenge. I gained a remarkable 1.5 inches in just 30 days. The measurement breakdown clearly shows the concrete data points of this growth. Beyond length, the texture and quality of my hair have transformed. It feels softer, stronger, and has a beautiful natural shine. My honest verdict and your next steps. Was the Propolis Wax Challenge successful? Absolutely. I highly recommend trying it if you're looking for natural hair growth solutions. This challenge is ideal for those with dry, brittle hair, or anyone experiencing scalp issues. It's a fantastic option for managing expectations and achieving healthier hair. Share your own unique hair growth tips in the comments below, subscribe for future experiments, and hit the notification bell for more unconventional beauty tests.